As our final day of discussing all the things that dance teaches us and why we should be thankful for it, I wanted to spend today talking about how our hard work pays off. Again, this is another key point that I've always found very fascinating in the dance realm, and it definitely does not just apply to dance. I've always been thankful for the fact that when dancers practice, you make mistakes. But if you have, again, that respect and accountability, and you're working together as a team, and you're progressing and you're practicing and you're doing all the things that you really should, that hard work starts to pay off. All of your patience with yourself finally comes together and you see an end result. This is where shows become so important because that teaches us that your hard work pays off. All this time that you have spent practicing and going over the technique and then learning the choreography and practicing for your stage presence and putting that all together with the music, learning your costumes and your blocking and everything that goes into it, all that hard work pays off. All of the days that you've had a roller coaster ride where you're feeling awesome 1 second and then you're like, oh, I don't even remember what I just did, and you pull it back together, you get to that end, and that show is where you see all of your hard work pay off. You had the feedback of your audience, and yeah, there could be mistakes that happen along the way for shows too. It is live entertainment. But again, it's a learning curve, and it's how your hard work has all come together at the very end. This applies to more than just dance though. When you're in school, you are practicing by doing your homework, you're taking quizzes, and you have that test. Over time, that hard work should pay off, and you learn that when you're in a dance class, and that oftentimes trickles over to other aspects of your life. You realize that there's steps along the way, and you have to work at it. It doesn't just happen for you, and you don't have somebody else that's just going to do things for you. Your personal hard work, all of your accountability, your respect, your teamwork, having supportive friends, having patience, all of that builds together and pays off in the long run. And to me, that is something to be super thankful for because life does have hard work in it. Like I said, you've got schoolwork, you have careers that lie ahead or that you're working on. All of that takes work. And by training in dance, that teaches you. It's just another way of learning those lessons. And I've always thought that that is really cool. So I will see you tomorrow.